here. So using that we can find like our class, and then we'll get to know like what's the error there. Like this, we will get to know like what's the issue with our Java code if the code is not running. Okay, like this. I have downloaded. Okay, this Java server log is downloaded. So here we'll get to know like for today what are the exceptions came on server. So this is a huge file, so we have to search by our class name. Okay, like this. These statements are printed in this code. Okay? Adobe e-sign agreement status like this. This is also custom task, custom code. Okay? Adobe. So from Adobe e-sign the class name. So we'll check from the class records. Like Adobe e-sign is there. Okay. So from this one of this Adobe, that statement is printed. To print those statements, we have to use this locker method. Okay. Like this, we can do all this Java code. We can write Java code and execute all the functions. For like each and every action from the try recover flow will get inside here. We have one method for association, then run dynamic queries there. So we can run this query. We have passed the query name to this Java code. Okay. If we don't have this query created in the Tririga, so we have this another method, run dynamic query. So we can directly simply we can pass without any Tririga query. We can pass project name, module name, then the business object, form name, like this. Okay. We can get like we have this minimizer option to get like what function inside, like which attribute like this. So we have to pass object type name is BO name, module name, then form name. Then if there is any association, we have to pass that. Project scope, display fields like who, like which field you want to display. So we have to pass those field names. Okay, and we like when we run this, we will send this request. So we will get the result based on these parameters. Okay, if you don't have any Tririga query like this, we have used the Tririga query name. But if we don't have any query created there, or we want the data result from dynamically from the query, so we'll use this request like this. Like there are number of methods here. To save records, we have save record method. So we can use this request parameter to save the records. Okay. So for saving the records, we need integrations records object. So first we have to create this integration records object. So inside that object, we have to pass all these parameters, and then on this integration object, we have to run this save record method here. So you have to practice it all. So you will get to know like which parameter like is missing or what the issue with that statement like method. Okay. That's for like this session. So any questions? So actually, we have covered all these topics mentioned in this plan. So configuring Java task, configuring custom like types of custom task actually is a mistake. Type of class loader is there. So we have covered all these topics, and that is like actually because of this troubleshooting we have mentioned, but no troubleshooting or no questions from you guys. So we have skipped these 3 days. So for next 3 days we can have those sessions. So if anyone is having any issue, so from tomorrow we can solve those issues actually for next 2-3 days. And like Anand told, like we can have one revision also on all these topics from tomorrow.
Yeah, I think I would suggest if you can at least go through it once so that if you have any questions or anything, so it becomes easier to get it clarified. See if we can try it out
Yeah, sure, sure.
some of those things.
From tomorrow we can go one by one all the PPTs and let all the questions. If anyone is having a question, then quickly.
Okay.
On this this Java code configuration and all, if anyone is having any question, for the code part you have to practice it actually based on this request and response, this PDF. So tomorrow we'll like do one like revision like thing from tomorrow. So actually for today's session actually we have covered all these things.
Yeah. Thanks, Piyush.
Okay.
Thank you, Piyush.
Thank you,
Thanks, everyone.
Piyush. Thank you.